I live with my parents in a nice house outside the city. There are 2 floors. Downstairs, there is a living room, a dining room, a kitchen, and a bathroom. Upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms, a home office, and a second bathroom. My bedroom is very comfortable. When you enter, you can see a wardrobe and a dresser on the left, and a bed and a bookcase on the right. There is a lamp next to the bed. My mother works in the home office. There is a desk in front of the window. On the desk, there is a computer and a printer. In our living room, there are 2 couches and 2 armchairs. We sit here in the evenings or when friends visit. We also have a big TV. We eat dinner in the dining room. It is a simple room with a wooden table and 6 chairs. There are some paintings on the walls, and there's a white rug on the floor. Our kitchen is very large. Near the door, there is a trash can. Opposite the door, there is a fridge freezer. The stove and the sink are on the other side of the room. Above the sink, there is a window. In the downstairs bathroom, there is a shower and a toilet. Between the shower and the window, there is a sink where we wash our hands. In the upstairs bathroom, we have a big bathtub.